Okay, hello again. We're at day 5. We passed the half term of the K-Show and we come to the important players now. We're on the GABLER booth.
Thank you.
This is
Thank
my
you.
my buddy Karsten, and he will introduce us to their highlights. What do you have on the K-Show? What can you show us?
Yeah. Also this is definitely our highlight, the new machine, FlexLine. Yeah, launched the first time here on the K-Show here in 2022. Yeah, it's a form cut stack line, and it does have, let's say, a lot of interesting features. FlexLine because it's a high flexible machine, and does have also then here a completely new stacking system with a robot system. We do see a lot of automation possibilities for the future. Whatever you want to do, let's say the robot will help you to bring the articles out in the right manner. Means if it's in the vertical, in the horizontal, whatever, we can do it here.
You can handle all the parts, if it's a hinge part like this, or lid,
Everything.
or a container. So it eliminates the need of a tool maker.
Yeah, also the name of the machine is also the program, so to say, because the FlexLine offers all the different capabilities from making lids, trays, also then all kind of automation possibilities to bring the articles out, or in further automation systems. We have it done in this machine.
So now we are at the second station. Here we see an impressive forming base. For which machine is that?
This is for our M100, and let's say M100 is a tilting machine where, let's say, this shows nicely the size of the machine, because when the machine is, or the tool is installed and the machine is running, you do not see the size. And the idea was really to see the size, and as you can see, that's a very huge forming area. And then together with Marbach, we created also then this tool where the customer can, let's say, have his cavitation with what he has in his machine nowadays, or in comparison with the M100. And there, for example, here we are having a 70 article, which is, let's say, the typical article, where we have on the M100 90 cavities in total, and on the M98 60. And as I said, the customer will also then see and can have his comparison to his own machine, where he also knows what the cavitation is. So here is another highlight of Gabler here on the K-Show, and it's thermoforming just got smarter. Is our check by GTF, so that you have, let's say, your platform where you can check all the different parameters of the machine. And as we do see it, is this in combination with the Connect M from Marbach would be the ideal scenario, where the customer knows everything about his machine, about the process, and also making then corrections, optimization, and so on. And we have Per here, which can show also then the one or the other slides of the system.
So yeah, we can now show you the digitalization solution from Gabler. Here we can show we have a dashboard on the front of the page. We see all data of the last 24 hours of the machinery. Here we can show, for example, 2 lines of the machine. We have two locations we can see, and 2 lines we can go on site. When we go on the machinery, we can see the machine, how it does look like, and we see the last 24 hours how the machine is running. Okay, how we can see the last 24 hours, how the machine is running, how the machine is stopped, how the machine is in production. You see all data from the past. You can look like to optimize the machine. We have all parameters of the consumption. You can see how long the machine is running in production. You can see how many cheat you're running through the machine, how many cheat you have on consumption and stop the machine and running of the machine. We have an analyze tool. We can optimize the process of the completely tool. You can see how the machine running, all the swivel table is coming, the stroke table is coming, the air is coming. You can optimize. You can look in the past how the machine and the products are optimized for the last days, for example. You have all parameters of the production line. You can see how day is running good, how day is running bad. You can go inside the day. You can see why is the machine is not running as well you think, for example. We have, you can see how many cycles, how many products we have produced per day, on which day we can make it better, or we can optimize it, for example. You can see how many error messages we have on the line. You can see, go inside, on which time we have which error message, to see on which time it is, on which date it was, what error message we have, and why we have this message, and on what tool we have this message. I think that's all we have to.